What's up, everyone? Kunwar Ieshdeep Singh here. So, I get this question all the time. Kunwar, I want to start a business, but I have no money. What should I do? And you know what? That's actually a good position to be in because when you have no money, you can't waste it on stupid things. You are forced to be creative, you are forced to hustle. So, today I'm going to walk you through exactly what I would do if I have to start a business from scratch in 2026 with zero capital. Not theory, not some guru advice. This is exactly what I would do. And by the end of this video, you'll have a step by step plan that you can start implementing today. So let's get you started. Okay, first decision, what kind of business? And when you have no money, the answer is simple: service business, not product, not inventory, not e commerce, service. Why? Because you can start immediately with just your skills and your time. No manufacturing, no shipping, no inventory costs, nothing. Now, what service would you offer? Here's my framework. Look at what you're already good at. Are you good at design? Offer design service. Good at writing? Copywriting or content writing. Good at social media? Social media management. Good at video editing? Video editing services. The key is to pick something where you already have some skills. Because remember, you have no money. You can't afford to spend 6 months learning something new. You need to start earning quickly. And here's the thing, you don't need to be the best in the world. You just need to be good enough to solve someone's problem and charge money for it. That's it. So pick a service that matches your current skill and that businesses actually need. All right, step two, get your first 3 clients within 7 days. And I know what you're thinking, Kumar, how is this possible? Let me tell you exactly how. You're not going to run Facebook ads. You're not going to build a fancy website. You're going to use your network. I want you to make a list of 50 people you know, friends, family, ex colleagues, college contacts, anyone. Then send each of them a personalized message, not a copy paste template, a real message, something like, hey, I just started offering design service for small businesses. I know you work in that space. Do you know anyone who might need help with their brand materials? I'm offering a special rate for my first few clients. You're not directly asking them to hire you. You're asking if they know someone. That makes it easier for them to help you. And trust me, out of 50 people, at least 5 will respond with leads. Follow up with those leads, offer them a discounted rate for being the early clients, maybe 50% off. The goal isn't to make big money right now. The goal is to get testimonials and portfolio work. तो पहले 3 clients के लिए अगर फ्री में भी काम करो तो करो, but get those first 3 clients in the first week. Step 3, document everything. Every project you do for those first 3 clients, take screenshots, take before and after photos, get testimonials. Create a simple one-page website. You can use free tools like Canva or even just Google Docs that looks professional. Put your best work there. Put your testimonials there. Also, start posting on social media. LinkedIn is perfect for this. Share your process. Just finished a logo design for a local cafe. Here's what I learned: post consistently 3 to 4 times a week minimum. Why are you doing this? Social proof. When your next potential client finds you, they need to see that you are legit. They need to see that other people have worked with you and been happy. That is your foundation. You can build these in 2 or 3 weeks maximum. Don't spend months perfecting your portfolio. Good enough is good enough. Ship it and move on. Step 4. Now that you have some clients and some portfolio work, it's time to scale. Here's how you do it. Start doing cold outreach. Every single day, I want you to reach out to 10 new potential clients and email them. DM them on Instagram, message them on LinkedIn, whatever works. Your message should be simple and personalized. Hi, I noticed your Instagram could get better graphics. I help businesses like yours to create professional content. Would you be able to do a quick 15-minute call to see if I can help? Out of 100 messages, you'll probably get 10 responses. Out of those 10, maybe 2 or 3 will convert into clients. That's a 2 to 3% conversion rate, which is actually pretty good in cold outreach. Do this consistently for 30 days, and that's 300 messages. If you get a 3% conversion, that's 9 new clients. Now you are at 12 clients total. If each client is paying you even 10,000 rupees a month, that's 1 lakh 20,000 monthly revenue. And you started with zero money anyways. Step 5, increase your prices. This is important. After you have 5 to 10 clients, you're getting good results. You need to raise your prices. Why? Because you're gaining experience, you're getting faster, you are delivering better quality. You deserve to be paid more. And also, you'll attract better clients at higher price points. And here's how you do it. For existing clients, honor the rate you promised them, but for all new clients, charge 20 to 30% more. And as you keep growing, keep increasing your rates. The beauty of service business is that your pricing is flexible. You're not selling a product with a fixed cost. Your time and expertise become more valuable as you gain experience. So charge accordingly. And don't be scared to lose some clients. You will lose some, but that's okay. You're replacing them with better paying clients who value your work. Quality over quantity always. Step 6. Now that you're already making decent revenue, it's time to systemize because right now you're probably doing everything manually. Every proposal is written from scratch. Every client onboarding is chaotic. Every invoice is a pain. Create template for everything. Proposal template, contract template, invoice template, onboarding checklist, project timeline template. Everything should be standardized. Use free tools to automate, like Google Sheets for tracking clients and revenue, Calendly for scheduling meetings, WhatsApp Business for client communication, Canva for quick designs if needed. The goal is to reduce the time you spend on admin work because admin work doesn't make you money. Business development makes you money. So, automate and systemize everything else. This will also prepare you for the next step, which is hiring. Because when you have systems in place, training someone becomes so much easier. They can just follow your template and processes. Step 7, hire your first person. And this is a big step. So be careful. You should only hire when you're consistently turning away work because you don't have time. Don't hire full time immediately. Start with a part time freelancer or a contractor. Test them on smaller projects first. See if they can maintain your quality standard and see if they're reliable. What should you hire for? Hire for the work you're weakest at or the work that takes the most time. If you hate admin work, hire a virtual assistant. If you're not great at design but great at client relation, hire a designer. Pay them a fair rate. Don't try to lowball. Good people deserve good money. And if they do great work, they'll help you grow faster than you can alone. This is the beginning of building a team. Once you have one solid person helping you, you can take on more clients, make more revenue, and eventually hire more people. That's how you can scale from solopreneur to a real business with a team. All right, so let's talk timelines. If you follow this plan exactly, here's what you can realistically expect. Month 1, you're hustling hard, getting your first clients, building a portfolio, learning on the job, revenue maybe 20 to 30,000 if you are lucky. Month 2, you are doing outreach consistently. You have 5 to 7 clients now, revenue is around 50 to 70,000. Month 3, you are starting to systemize. You have 10 clients, some testimonials, better portfolio, revenue crosses 1 lakh. Month 4 to 6, you are scaling. Maybe you hired someone, your prices are higher. You have 15 to 20 clients, revenue is between 1 lakh 50,000 to 2 lakh 50,000. Is this guaranteed? No. It depends on your hustle, your skills, your niche, your market. But this is a realistic trajectory. If you work smart and stay consistent, and remember, you started with zero money. Now, if you have a profitable business, a growing client base, and potentially a team member, that's massive progress in just 6 months. So here's exactly how would I start a business in 2026 with zero capital. And let me give you a quick roadmap again. Pick a service business based on your skill. Get first 3 clients in 1 week through your network. Build portfolio and social proof. Scale with cold outreach. Raise your prices as you grow. Systemize everything. Hire your first person when ready. Now, I'm not saying it's easy. It's hard work, long hours, rejection, stress, but it's possible. Definitely possible. And the best part, you don't need investors, you don't need loans, you don't need to wait for the perfect time. You can literally start today with just your phone and your skills. So, what's stopping you? Comment below and tell me what service you're going to offer. I want to know. And if you need help with any of this, reach out to us at Albrado. We help people build and scale their businesses. Link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. We share real practical business strategies every week. I'm Kunwar Ieshdeep Singh and I'll catch you in the next one. So go out there and start building. Take care.